Okay, the new guest from China is arriving. Let's see how she's gonna react to my style of introduction.
Hi.
Hi. You must be the new guest from China.
Yeah.
Should I help you? Is everything
Oh yes,
fine?
heavy is pretty heavy.
Okay.
It's cold out
Can
there.
I ask you a question? Would you do me some kind of favor? I know you just arrived, but can you please introduce yourself by showing me like the craziest dance move you've ever seen?
Oh, craziest dance move?
Yeah.
Why though? I just survived. Look at
Yeah, but
oh.
like that's like I like to meet people. Like it's more than informal and like you get to know each other better. It's like more fun. So
Okay.
would you do that for me?
Okay, let me think. Okay, look, but this is okay.
Yeah.
See, okay? Yeah, okay.
Hold on.
This is good.
You are more dog.
Yeah, we're good. We can go upstairs now.
Yeah. Let's see where Gregory is.
Okay.
Like,